out. This is the E9 problem on a Defy washing machine. Usually the E9 problem is caused by the water level sensor unit. Let's get right to it. Okay, usually here what you're gonna do is start by unscrewing these two screws at both ends and these rubbers. Okay, the water level sensor is this brown unit located just at the back of the machine. What you're gonna do is just start by unplugging this plug right here. Yeah, it means the third brown wire inside its terminal is corroded. So what you're gonna do is gonna plug this out, terminal, brush the corrosion away, and then it will be just right. As you can see here guys, I've already cleaned the corrosion away from my third terminal. It's gold, it's different from the other two. That we have cleaned our terminal, it doesn't go. Okay, now that we've cleaned our terminal, it doesn't mean the problem is over. Remember, the third terminal was contained in the plug, which means there's still rust in the plug. As you can see here, it's darker on one side than the other two, which means there's still rust in that section. So we have to solve that. Okay, now so I've took the wire out of the plug and I'm going to operate it outside of the plug. Okay, so here what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take the wire, put it at the forefront of the plug like this, and then you leave a bit out so that you can bend it outside of the plug, and then you plug it in just like this. Okay, now that we have fixed the corrosion matter in that water level sensor, let's try putting our machine back on. You see, the machine is fixed, it's fine. You can do all that you want. There, voila. Now, if there is any problem in your home with an appliance or something else that you want me to do a video for you, like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.